New day, new awareness, and new book review. Hello po, this is Apple, your licensed financial advisor and also unit head manager from AXA Philippines. And yes, today po meron ako i-share sa inyo yung first chapter po na nabasa ko. Pwede po itong magbago ng perspective mo about money, career, and also sa future mo. This is based on the book of The Millionaire Fast Lane by MJ DeMarco. But warning po ha, this is not for usual financial advice. Hindi po ito yung mag-ipon ka, mag-invest ka, then wait ka hanggang retirement. So siya po, or today we will talk about wealth in a wheelchair. Get rich slow and get rich old. The greatest deception. How I screwed get rich slow. At after this po, baka ma-question mo yung path mo na tinatahak mo ngayon. So let's start with a very powerful concept. Wealth in a wheelchair. Ano po bang ibig sabihin nito? Simple lang. Yumaman ka nga, pero matanda ka na. Pagod ka na, at hindi mo na kayang i-enjoy yung pera mo. So imagine this ha, may isang tao na nagtatrabaho siya for 40 years, or nagtrabaho siya for 40 years, nagtipid siya, nag-invest siya, sinunod niya po lahat ng tamang advice. Then at the age of 60 or 65, finally, nagkaroon siya ng pera. But here's the reality, hindi na po siya malakas. May maintenance pa siya, pagod na yung katawan niya, limited na rin po yung time niya. So anong nangyari? He built wealth but lost the life. So let me ask you, real talk. Gusto mo bang yumaman or gusto mo bang mabuhay ng masaya habang bata ka pa? Because most of people po sacrifice their youth, delay happiness, wait for someday na minsan hindi na dumarating. Get rich slow, get rich old. Now, let's talk about the system na tinuro sa atin since bata tayo. At ako sa school, ganito rin po tinuro sa akin eh. You need to study hard, get a job, save, invest, retire rich. Familiar ba kayo? Natuturo rin ba sa inyo to? So, problem number 1 is time trade. Anong trabaho mo? Ang trabaho mo kapalit ng oras mo. No work is equal to no income. Problem number 2, limited income. Kahit gaano ka kasipag, may ceiling ang salary mo. 3, delayed life. You keep telling yourself, soon magiging okay din. Soon yayaman din ako. Soon makaka-enjoy din ako. But soon become 20, 30, or 40 years. Hindi po masama ang pagiging employee. Hindi rin po masama ang pagsisave. Hindi masama ang pag-invest. But, if yun lang po ang ginagawa mo, you are playing a very slow game. Nabasa ko dito sa libro. So, the great deception, tinatawag dito. This is where things get real. The great deception, ano po ba ibig sabihin nito, Ma'am Apple? Tinuruan tayo na kasi na mag-aral mabuti, maghanap ng stable job, mag-ipon ka, mag-invest ka, mag-retire ka. And we believe this is the only path to wealth. But here's the truth. This system is designed to keep you average. Why it's deception? You are trained to follow, not to create. School teaches you be a good employee, follow instructions, pass exams, pero, tinuruan ka bang gumawa ng negosyo? Hindi. Tinuruan ka bang mag-scale ng income? Hindi rin. Hindi. You are told to trade time for money. Salary? Fix. Even if you work harder, may limit pa rin po. And you are taught to wait, maghintay ka lang ha, maghintay ka lang. Darating din ang success. But time is your most valuable asset. And once nawala na yan, hindi mo na mababalik yan. So let's say you save 5,000 monthly after 30 years. May pera ka, yes. But inflation, emergencies, health issues, ubos din. So the reality here is most people think they are doing the right thing. Pero hindi nila alam. They are just moving slowly in the wrong direction. So, This is DeMarco's personal story. And this is where you'll see yourself. His old belief na tinatawag. He followed the traditional path, work hard, save money, invest slowly. So na po na-realize si DeMarco, after years, wala pa rin siyang freedom. Wala pa rin siyang control. Hindi pa rin siya rich. That's when he realized, get rich slow does not make you rich fast. He changed one question from how can I save more to how can I earn more? How can I create value? How can I scale? So dito po nag-shift to fast lane thinking na instead of trading time, he built systems. Gumawa siya ng sistema. System po kasi is equal to income kahit hindi ka nagtatrabaho. Business, online platforms like what I'm doing right now, scalable services, time is equal to money, fixed income, 40 years. The fast lane is value is equal to money, unlimited income, faster growth. You don't get rich by saving money. You get rich by creating impact. Don't sacrifice your youth. Hindi mo na may babalik ang oras. Salary alone is not enough. May limit pang income. So the question is, hindi po porket common, tama na. You need to focus on value creation, business systems, leveraging. You need to start now. Don't wait until you're old. Huwag kayong maghintay hanggang tumanda ka. Tatanong ko sa'yo ha, nasaan ka na ngayon? The slow lane ka pa rin ba? Nandun ka na sa sidewalk or nandun ka na sa fast lane? Because at the end of the day, hindi po sapat ang sipag lang. Kailangan mo ng tamang strategy. And if you are a parent, a breadwinner, or OFW, or business owners, you don't have to wait 40 years to enjoy life. You can start building your fast lane today. Again, this is Apple, your licensed financial advisor and unit head manager from AXA Philippines, helping you not just earn money, but build real financial freedom. Don't just aim to retire rich. Aim to live rich. See you again on my next video. Thank you so much po.